Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can play around with different blending options to give cool effects to different elements of your canvas. So what you can do is if you right click on the layer and choose blending options, you can see that you've got all these different effects that you can choose to add to your different layer on Photoshop. So things like strokes are quite good, where it'll add a colour around the outside of your object, so you can change it to, I don't know, white for example. You can, oh, that's not how you do that, you got to press OK. Now you can change the size if you really want to, although that looks a bit messy, but it's up to you. So that's quite a cool thing you can do. You can add shadows on there, which give it quite a nice, obviously sort of shadow sort of effect, which is quite nice. So you can change the opacity of your shadow, change the distance, you can change the spread, the size, you can change the direction of the shadow if you really want to as well. Okay, so you can do some nice cool things with these different blending options. Some of them look a bit pants, but some of them are quite good. So inner shadow makes it look a little bit 3D if you really want to do that. Inner glow also makes it look a little bit 3D as well. Yeah, so there's a few different things you can play around with there to you know, make your layers look a bit fancy and a bit cool. That's a bit of a 3D look, but it looks a bit cheesy. For me, strokes are the one that are pretty good. Okay, obviously not that big because that's ridiculous. No, it's not doing it. There you go. So one thing I didn't do there is for you to get these options up, you've got to click on the actual word itself. So you can change these around. So rather than click on the tick, click on the actual word itself to see them. Okay, so blending options, I'll show you that again. Right click on the layer, blending options, and you've got all these different choices here that you can do to add cool effects to your layer, so like shadows and stuff. That's it.